Hello guys, welcome to Maverick Forex channel. Here I will explain my strategy to you and post my trades. After testing thousands of strategies, I came up with this method. I will also post all the previous strategies and paths I took that were not profitable or could not make a profit. If you have any suggestions or questions, be sure to tell me in the comments. Let's go. Very important point. I had been dreaming for several years, looking for big profits with a small account, looking for a strategy that would always make me profit after about 13 years and losing a lot of money. I came up with this strategy I named the strategy save, which means the priority is to protect money. Then make a profit. Suggestions for success. This tutorial is not a movie that you watch like a clip. This strategy requires market research and analysis. So please open your broker and at the same time review the things that are said. Time frame 15 minutes time GMT plus 2 o'clock, of course. If you learn the analysis completely after watching the videos, you can trade in the desired time frame. Based on the provided data, step-by-step institutional trade analysis, EUR, USDM 15, as of the 5th of December 2025 8 o'clock, and the comprehensive trade journal according to the SAVE strategy step 1. Contextual market structure assessment. Recent momentum phase. EUR USD experienced a strong institutional breakout on the 4th of December 2025 between 10 o'clock to 11:45, surging from 1.16650 right pointing arrow 1.16806 on elevated, confirming institutional participation. False breakout and trap. Price failed to sustain above 1.16800, reversed sharply, and swept liquidity down to 1.16425 at 22:30, December 4th, consistent with the stop run plus trap pattern documented in your journal, e.g., the 27th of November 2025 8 o'clock, 2025.12.041330. Current state, December 5th, 8 o'clock. Price has rebounded cleanly from 1.16425 and is now consolidating between 1.16500 to 1.16590, forming a higher low, HL, at 1.16425, preserving bullish structure. Key insight. The drop to 1.16425 was a liquidity sweep, not a structural breakdown, similar to the high probability setups on the 19th of November 2025 6:45 and the 25th of November 2025 8:45. Current state, December 5th, 8 o'clock. Price has rebounded cleanly from 1.16425 and is now consolidating between 1.16500 to 1.16590, forming a higher low, HL, at 1.16425, preserving bullish structure. Key insight. The drop to 1.16425 was a liquidity sweep, not a structural breakdown, similar to the high probability setups on the 19th of November 2025 6:45 and the 25th of November 2025 8:45. Step 2. Institutional order flow, candle plus price behavior, profile on pullback. Declining price behavior during the December 5th 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock pullback, e.g., 127 right pointing arrow 102, right pointing arrow 95, right pointing arrow 113, right pointing arrow 179 at 8 o'clock. This price behavior contraction on dip equals lack of institutional selling, signaling absorption by buyers. No bearish rejection. Price holds above 1.16500 without wicks below. No bearish engulfing or pin bars. No distribution signals. Key insight. Divergence plus clean price action equals institutional demand zone activation, mirroring the 26th of November 2025 6:45 setup. Step 3. Demand zone identification, retest zone, breakout base equals new support. The 1.16530 to 1.16550 zone. December 4th, 8 o'clock to 9:30 consolidation. Previously acted as resistance, now as support. Price respect. On December 5th, price has tested but not broken below this zone. 515 low. 1.16479. Below, but rejected instantly. 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Held firmly above 1.16500, with multiple touches of 1.16530 to 1.16550. Touches. 6:15 price behavior equals right pointing arrow buying interest. 7:15 to 7:45. Stable. Approximately 190 to 259. Right pointing arrow, no seller dominance. Key insight. This is a textbook retest of institutional order block. Analogous to the 18th of November 2025 6:15 and the 25th of November 2025 8:45. Step 4. Structural confirmation, higher low plus swing validation, higher low, HL, at 1.16425, December 4th, 22:30. Unbroken as of December 5th, 8 o'clock. Higher than prior low at 1.16358, December 3rd, 10:45. Bullish sequence intact. No break of structure. Price never closed below 1.16425, confirming. Institutional defense of this level. Momentum continuity. After HL, 5 consecutive higher closes. 45 right pointing arrow 8 o'clock. Key insight. HL integrity equals valid long side structure, per journal criterion. Step 5. Signal validation against journal patterns failed trades. Avoid successful trades. Follow the 27th of November 2025 8 o'clock. Rising on pullback, no HL. Late session right pointing arrow trap the 19th of November 2025 6:45. HL plus drop plus close above 1.15800 right pointing arrow win the 4th of December 2025 13:30. No on extension to TP1 right pointing arrow trap the 26th of November 2025 6:45. Declining on pullback plus shallow retest right pointing arrow win the 19th of November 2025 1500. Single candle close. No follow through right pointing arrow trap the 25th of November 2025 8:45. Confirmed close plus surge right pointing arrow win this setup matches. Successful profile. HL at 1.16425, declining on pullback respectful retest of 1.16530 to 1.16550, no false breakout exhaustion. Unlike December 4th, 13:30. Step 6. Trade setup, execution plan, parameter value signal type, buy strategy institutional. Save entry zone 1.16535 to 1.16555. Trigger confirmation close of 15M, candle above 1.16555. Stop loss, SL, 1.16495. Below HL swing, plus psychological 1.16500. Take profit, TP1. 1.16610. Micro resistance TP2 to 1.16650. December 4th consolidation TP3 to 1.16700. Institutional magnet, risk reward 1. 2.5 plus. 5 pips risk right pointing arrow 12 to 20 pips reward. Invalidation condition close below 1.16500 with right pointing arrow cancel trade step 7. Risk management and session awareness. Day equals Friday. Lower liquidity right pointing arrow reduce position size by approximately 30 to 50%. Do not chase. If price rallies above 1.16590 without retest, do not enter. Wait for pullback. See the 12th of November 2025 7:15 lesson. Exit discipline. Take 100% at TP1 on breakout past TP1. Trail SL to break-even after TP1 if momentum confirmed. Final verdict, this is a high probability institutional long setup. Aligned with your most successful journal trades. All three pillars are present. 1. Structural integrity, HL. 2. Demand zone. 3. Clean price action without traps, execute only on confirmed close above 1.16555. Do not anticipate. I am very happy that you watched my educational video until the end. I hope you are satisfied. For future content, please subscribe to my channel, like it, and send it to your friends. Post your questions, suggestions, and criticisms in the comments at Maverick_Forex.